My name's Jeremiah Johnson from the Technical Services Department at D11. We're here today to learn how to build our own computer. We're going to have 9 or 10 students come in who wanted to do their personal project from the IB program as learning how to do their own computer at home. So we're going to break things down to individual components. We're going to teach them what each component is, what it does in the computer, what its purpose is, and we're going to step-by-step walk through putting that together. Then we're going to take that knowledge and directly apply it to a real-world production machine.
What I think is most exciting about this particular project isn't just the fact that kids are building computers, although I think that that's pretty cool. The really exciting thing is that they're doing it alongside of our District 11 IT department. So we have mentors who do this kind of thing every day as as a part of their job, and they're the ones that are really getting in their hands-on with the kids and helping the kids understand not just about how to build a computer, but what the different components are doing. And then at the end of this, after they get finished building the computers that they're building behind me right now, they're going to be building a demonstration machine that's going to actually be hosting the really advanced projects that the students across all of the different classes here at Palmer in the IT department are really doing on a regular basis. And that's really exciting because we're going to be able to show off stuff from IT, we're going to be able to show off stuff from the digital video and digital audio program, and all the other courses that are in our digital media studies department. But really the core of this experience is the kids being able to get hands-on, one-on-one with the professionals that do this for a job and getting that mentorship. That's just priceless.